Good morning, it is Sunday. I have no idea of the date, I put it on the screen. It is 5:41 in the morning. Where are we going?
Car boot sale.
We're going to do a car boot sale. We're having a big clear out before we move house. So we're doing a car boot sale. Are you going to help me? What's your name today? What's your name?
No.
Is it Fox or is it Owlet? You'll show me. Oh, it's Fox. But then, oh no, it's Owlet. Where's Fox got? Oh, there he is. Oh, where's Fox? There he is. Owlet, have you come to save the... Oh, it's Fox. Have you come to save the day? Fox. Creepy boy. Are we ready?
Yeah. Just need my seatbelt.
Daddy's getting in. Where are we going, Foxy?
Car boot sale.
Yeah, how much are we going to sell?
No.
Lots, Aria. Be positive. Look, here it is. Hear no evil, speak no evil. What is it? Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. Is that you lot?
You shut the boot, Daddy.
You want to shut the boot? Okay, bye. Bye. Can't see him through the... I can see a little hand. Little hand.
Fruit and veg are nice. Look at
What are you doing?
the lemons on the fruit and veg stall and the size of
got?
rugby balls.
Hot dog boy. Yummy. You two okay? Got some snacks?
Hey, Mama.
Oh, you want to see yourself?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at you eating your hot dog. What a lovely boy. Go little. Ari, was that fun?
Yeah. Ow.
Fox has just collected
sitting
loads of
there?
pine cones.
Without undoing, aren't you?
Wow. You alright, Mika?
Yeah.
Can't believe you've still got a hoodie on, it's boiling.
I think
Yeah. It's absolutely roasting. It's like, what does my car say it is? I haven't got my keys, but I think it's like 30 degrees. So, we're now going to go home. Well, no, we're going to go and get someone a present, drop the stuff, and then we're going to a birthday party. And then we're going to go in the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys. Weird angle, I apologise, but you're just balanced on something. It's now Friday. You've just watched the footage of us doing a car boot sale on Sunday. We did our car boot sale because we were trying to declutter the house prior to moving. We were aiming to be moving sort of the second, third week of September. We also sold some furniture last week because our new house has less bedrooms than currently, so the girls would have had to share, and we needed to get rid of some furniture because there's no point in taking it. However, Monday or Tuesday this week, our buyer pulled out. So that meant that we then had to pull out of the house that we were buying because we needed the girls to be in school at the new house. The new house was like half an hour away, and we knew we were going to have to do a couple of weeks of school runs, and we kind of prepared for that because it was I would have been doing morning drop off at 9 for all of them, going home, going back at midday to pick up Fox from nursery, coming home, going back at 3 to pick up the girls, coming home. So 3 hours a day in the car for me, and I was prepared to do it for a couple of weeks. That would have been fine. However, our buyers are pulled out, so even if we sold our house again within like a week or two, we're like 9-10 weeks down the line, which means that I'd have been ended up doing 3, maybe 4 months of school runs, and I just wasn't prepared to sit in a car for 3 hours a day, plus the cost of diesel. So yeah, it's all gone down the shitter. We are now no longer moving. It's kind of a bit of an adjustment because we prepared, like the girls were all excited to start their new schools. Now it's going to mean that Aria will continue on at the school that she was at, which is fine. Fox will go to the nursery at the school that the girls went to nursery. However, Mika was meant to leave. Her school was an infant school, so it only went up to year 2, so age 7, and then she was going to go to a junior school. but she didn't do any of the transition days or anything because she was going to be going to the new school. So she's missed out. We don't know what class she's going to be in. It's all sorted. I've like arranged it with the county council. I've spoken to them, explained the situation, and the girls have places at the schools where we currently live. But yeah, I don't know what class Mika's in. I don't know who her friends are. I don't know what the uniform is. I don't know what time drop off is. I don't know what she needs for PE. And I'm trying to speak to different mums that I do speak to and sort of get an idea so we can be a bit more prepared. I've spoken to the deputy head at the school that they were at, and she's said she's like really apologetic, sort of sorry that it's all fell through, but she's really happy that Fox and Aria will still be there. And she's going to try and help me with Mika at the next school, because the next school I've not had any contact with, so I don't know anything about them, which is a bit daunting, but what can you do? So yeah, I'm glad we didn't sell any more furniture, or because like, at the minute Mika's now got no wardrobe or dresser or anything, so I'm going to have to rebuy her stuff, have those, because I've sold them, because we didn't need them at the new house. Yeah, it's a bit shit. The first week of the summer holidays has gone, yeah, it's been a bit stressful with the house and stuff, but we took the kids to a dinosaur park and they had loads of fun with that. Mika's seen one of her friends. The birthday party we went to, I thought it was a wasp, was Aria's best mate's sister, so she got to see her best mate as well. The girls were obviously both really happy because they can stay with their friends. Like, even if Mika's not in the class with her best mate, it's all her classmates that are there, so she'll know people, so I'm not worried about that side of it. And they are excited that they'll still be around their friends. Foxy's had no transition days at nursery either, which is hard because he's had 2 at the other place. Are you a wasp? No. What else? I got a new bedding. Look at the lovely new bedding. Yes, it's so pretty. Asda is on sale for a tenner. I thought it was lovely. £9.80p. Barjan. We've integrated the new kitten. We were only keeping them separately because Bandit, our biggest boy, the huge cat that weighs like 6 kilos, he's terrified of it. He's such a wimp, it's ridiculous. And we were keeping them separate, and we just thought, no, fuck it, he needs to get over it. So we've chucked them all in together, and they're fine. We obviously supervise them, and we still separate her to sleep at night because we're not down there, so we don't want anything to happen while we're asleep. But yeah. Oh dear. I dyed my hair. If you can see, I dyed my front bit lilac. I really like it. More than I anticipated. This is just my new favourite hairstyle. What else? I can't even think. Yeah, it's just kind of, the whole week has just been an up on its end, just don't know your arse from your elbow kind of thing. So what can you do? Just thought I'd update you. We are not moving, and I need to buy some furniture. I'm trying to get back into YouTube. I'm trying to do more videos, so please let me know what kind of things you want. I would love to do more unboxings, but I just can't afford it. I've had to cancel everything, so I think the only boxes I get now, Degusta box, I've got a few of those because of the codes that they give you. People can use them, you get free boxes, so that's not costing me any money. And then I get PR for a couple of boxes, like the snack boxes, but everything else I've had to cancel just because I can't afford it. So if you have any videos that you'd like me to do that don't cost a lot of money, that would be amazing. Let me know your thoughts. Oh, I've got brain farts. I've been batch cooking this morning. I made a massive pot of lentil bacon and potato soup, and I've made a huge batch of buffalo cauliflower wings because they're just my favourite. The kids have been walking around all morning going, I don't like that smell, and they were told to just get over it. But Ben's mum's here now. She took them out blackberry picking, and then they're going to come back for lunch. It's like 12 o'clock, so they'll be back soon, and we're all going to have lunch together. And then I'm not sure what we're doing this afternoon. We might go out somewhere for a little wander to a park, maybe. Oh, I'm so tired. I I'm very aware this is just me rambling at you, but I felt like I haven't talked to you in ages. I just thought I would update the situation. Can't remember if I told you or not, like we were on that flight from Norwich that had the 43-hour delay. We've got our money back from TUI. They didn't give any compensation. I don't know whether, I think people were expecting compensation, but they've just refunded us for the 2 days that we missed. We're okay with that. We weren't expecting anything back. We got compensation for the flight. That was the flight company gave us the money, the compensation for the flight. And then TUI gave us £75 back for taxis that we had to pay for, which is fine because we shouldn't have had to pay for it. And then, yeah, they just refunded us the 2 days that we missed. So I think a lot of people were expecting to get like compensation. But yeah, we just got the refund for the 2 days, and we're fine with that because it can't be helped, can it? The plane was fucked. You don't want to go on an aeroplane that's broken, so nobody's fault. It was just TUI's lack of communication that pissed everyone off. So that was nice to get that back. We're not planning on going anywhere else now this year. We've just sent the girls' passports away for renewal. I can show you the girls' new passport photos. They are so freaking cute. It's ridiculous. Ari's. Look at that little perfect face. And then here's Squeaky Leaks. I made them have braids so they were nice and neat. Look how beautiful they are. How did I make them? Oh. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what your summer plans are. I'd love to know. And thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.